Hello everyone, this is Sarita Kamath from Artem Pop-Up Gallery in downtown Evanston. Today I'm going to show you how to make flowers using tissue paper.
Here's what you'll need to get started. We'll be providing everyone with a kit with tissue paper and wire. In addition to the kits, we will need glue and toothpicks or something to spread the glue with. You'll need a pair of scissors and a pencil to make marks on the tissue paper. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using a pen so you can see the marks better. So that's what you will need to start. So let's get started and open up the kits. Once you get your kits open, select any color to start with. Unfold the paper completely and you can see the size that we'll be using, and then fold it into half 4 times. And make sure the edges line up with each other to get a nice clean cut. That is the 4th half that you will fold it into. Once that is done, find the corner right along the crease and take the open side of the fold and fold it diagonally towards the crease. The extra rectangular portion that is left over you want to cut off. Once that is done, go back and find the original corner along the crease and trim off the tip of it. After you've done that, you can start drawing your flower pattern. We'll be showing you how to do this with a pen, but please use a pencil when you do it yourself. So this is a very simple flower pattern. Feel free to experiment with any other shapes that you want. We're just going to show how to do a basic one. So what you'll do next is cut along the lines that you have just drawn while the tissue is still folded. Now what you want to do is open up the tissue paper and you will see the shape of your flower. Now take one of those sheets, just one, fold it in half once, twice, and then one more time. So 3 times in total you want to fold it in half. Now you want to take some of your glue on the toothpick and spread it at the bottom of the flower, so the petal should be facing the top. So at the triangular tip, spread some glue, and you can be generous with how much glue you spread. And then you want to take one of the wires, straighten it out, and then place it right on the glue. And then what you'll want to do after that is fold the tissue paper so that you have the wire covered, and then just press tightly so that the glue sticks together. And then what you want to do is start twisting the tissue paper around, and then we'll take some more glue and spread it in between where the tissue paper is still open so that it just stays closed while we focus on the rest of the flower. And there you have the center of the flower is done, and you're ready to move on to the next step. So for this portion, you'll want to take another sheet of tissue paper, spread glue right at the bottom where you had previously glued the tissue paper, and feel free to be generous with the glue. And now slide the petal up from the bottom of the wire right up to where the glue is, and then pinch down from the center where the glue is. Now you want to straighten out the petals of the flower like so, fluff it up a little bit, and press it in so all the glue is nice and secure. And then you want to repeat this for the remaining petals that you have. So once again, we'll start by putting glue right at the bottom of the stem. Slide it through the bottom and press it right where you've put the glue. And then straighten out the edges once again. And now we're on to the last portion. Same process, just get some more glue on there. Use as much glue as you need. And then slide the last piece right there, and once again press it in and then straighten it out. And then just twist it a little bit at the bottom so that it stays nice and tightly on that wire. And since flower stems are green, you don't have to do anything else to the wire itself. Now this is the last part. The scraps that you had left over from the tissue at the beginning, you want to take a little bit of the rectangular piece, just cut a tiny bit, put some glue on it, be generous with this, and right where we have the bottom of the petals, you want to put that right down there and twist it around just a little bit, and you can cut off the excess tissue paper. You don't need a lot of it, it's just there so that the actual petals stay in place and are bound together. So cut off the excess and then take some more glue, put it on that piece and twist it together, and there you have it. That is a tissue paper flower. And here's what the tissue paper flowers look like together in a vase. Feel free to mix and match colors and get as creative as you would like.
This is how you make a flower with tissue paper. And I hope you enjoy making this and look forward to seeing what you all come up with. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy making the flowers.